Wow, good question. When we're simply looking at the motor control or protection, no matter the soft starter or converter, when the smooth starting is finished and switching to the normal running stator, the normal protection function is there. In this regard, the motor controller is no longer required, but the digital factory requires a higher standard of the ordinary management and maintenance, such as for a particular motor circuit. The energy consumption data, power quality data, the historical star running extreme current, star store waveform, and so on. This data is for the better analysis to the device management. The motor controller provides such data, so even the motor circuit already has a soft starter or converter, it could still install the intelligent motor protection controller. If you want to know more about the motor controller, visit this website or send us your message.